Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to explain about the evaluation of Web API. So yesterday I started the new series about this .NET Web API tutorial. So yesterday I've given the complete agenda what we will discuss in future. So if you missed that video, please watch that video. Then you can easily understand what we will discuss in future. Okay. So in this video, I'm going to explain about the evaluation of Web API, how it was evaluated, and how it evaluating the Web API. Like before knowing this, the evaluation of Web API, I would like to explain about the evaluation of web services. Okay. Yeah. Web services. Okay. So let's take one example. Like here, there is a one web server. Web server is there. Like this is a one website. Oh, sorry. Will give you the clarity why I have selected this web server. Like here, there is a one application. Like let's take, yeah. Here, there is a one web application, web server is there. Sorry, server is there. So if you want to communicate this web server, like uh, request and response way, like so this web server, when you put the request, then you will get the one response. So in that way, what you will do, like definitely we will use the one Chrome browser. So with help of the browser, you can access the this web services. Okay, and when you send the request to the web server, then it will respond that particular request, and it will give the proper data and display it in browser. Okay, this is the main concept works with the web servers. But so there is another web server is there. So this one written in Java. This one written in Java. Like sorry, uh, this one written in Java, and this one written in some other programming language like Python. Let's take one example is a Python. So this Python, like this Python objects does not know the Java objects. Okay, and this Java does not know the Python objects because there is a syntax difference is there. So that's why they cannot understand the logics and objects creation in between the both web servers. Okay, but to resolve this concept, like if you want to like make a connection between the both two web servers, so this web service come into the picture. Okay, so this web service, what it will do, like so it will use the one mediator between the two web services or two or more web services, sorry, web servers. Like let's take this is a one of the web server. Sorry, this is a one web server, and this is another web server. Web server is oh, okay. Mm. The web server one wants to communicate web server two. So the web service, what it will do, it will make a one proxy between them, proxy between these two web servers, and there is a common syntax used in between those web servers, like that is XML. Okay, so the Python know the XML syntax, and the Java also know the XML syntax. It can easily understand the what is what. Okay, both other both Python and Java or some other languages, then they can we can understand the easy, okay, in easy manner. So this web services resolve the issue between the communication of both web servers. Okay, yeah, that is the concept of web servers is there, and one more concept is there. Like there is a this web server, sorry, web service. Sorry, web service only communicate with HTTP request only. Okay, HTTP request only. But if you want to use like REST, so some other and protocols also, like we can use one more service is there, like WCF. WCF means Web Communication Foundation. So with help of this Web Communication Foundation, we can we can use the different communication thing like REST. We can use REST. We can use so, and also we can use different protocols also. So with help of that, we can communicate with them with other web servers like SOAP and REST. Sorry, REST and protocols also. Protocols. Okay, and after that, there is a here it will the web service only support HTTP only HTTP request. And with help of this WCP Web Communication Foundation, we can make a connections in different manner like SOAP, REST, and different. We can use the different protocols. But with in this Web Communication Foundation, we should compulsory have to create a proper configuration between the protocols, configuration between the uh, other some inbuilt libraries. We should maintain from scratch everything. We should initialize everything in the projects. But if you there is a solution is that to resolve this configuration, all these headaches. That is the that is that concept is called as a web API. In this web API, it will also work like a web server, HTTP request, and we can make in different web request also like SOAP, REST, and protocols also. So why it's so popular? Because in this Web Communication Foundation, we should configure all these things from scratch. But in this Web API, no need to make that much of configuration. No need to make that much of configuration. Like just create a one project and also install whatever you needed and just do the and just create a project and just create a controllers and it will also support like a in one controller we can make the we can also write different methods also and we can easily perform the CRUD operations also and whatever it may be like how many methods you want like you can write in that controller it will support so no need to configure anything here in this web API. This by default automatically configure all the protocols, all the HTTP related requests. It will also suggest to you when you're developing an application, like whatever you need it, it will also support you, like methods or whatever initialization thing is there in the programming. That also support suggest to you while doing the development. Yeah, that is the main evaluation of the web API. So why we are using, you already get an idea why we are using this web API so popular. and why it's so popular. So yeah, today is the this is the concept discuss about with you. Yeah, thank you everyone. Thank you for watching my video.